Come. Dito. Come to me. Just hold. Click and hold.
Nice yung scout.
18 na sila, 18.
Okay, click and hold. Come back now. Everybody in. Pasok. They're ready now.
Mamark mo si Marcha ng kahit ano.
Wait lang.
Para alam natin pag...
Get away from the gate, guys. Get away from the gate, ha. Paper food. Side food. Hindi ko makita si Marchan, boss.
Nasa may
Nasa
gate
gate
lang.
si Marchan kasama nung ano.
Katabi
Okay.
lang ng chariot.
Is TZTH yung main call
Get away.
100
Get away.
Three realms
from
might
the
be
wall.
to engage.
May hodge sila.
Okay.
Zik pangalan.
Might be two engages, ha?
Easy.
Yeah, 3 realms.
Copy.
Kidnap. They have kidnap. Nag-engage
Careful.
only.
Look. Northwest. 5. Northwest 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest, pay it. And full back now. Full back lang, ha.
Use front.
Popper spots in the front. Counter for me, Bobby. Come back.
Nagsosolo ba siya? North?
Gilang. Reset CD. Careful over the wall north, ha.
Ready, Adam.
Careful over the wall north, ha.
You have
Pwede ko
kidnap,
ilayin yung nasa
harpoon.
west.
Okay. Look west side. West side. 5, west 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. Where's the GG boots? Get away from the gate fast.
Ako na GA.
Yo, be ready. Def in the front. Good def. Good GA. Reset CD. Southeast.
Heal papi.
Guys, please don't leave your tanks,
Ready.
please. D-tanks, hindi nyo kailangan mag-overextend. May gate pa po, especially the heavy maces, okay?
Perma ready, Adam.
Hold. I'm back. Look. West side of the gate. Ray, ready. West side. 5, west 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, west side. Come back. Full back now.
Engage.
Almost. No?
Help me.
Heal Ray. Guys, please, don't leave your tanks, guys. May healers, please. Pop kayo ng pots ng
Perma
pagkailangan.
ready, Adam.
Look. I'm gonna fake engage this, okay? Hold, come back. Look for me now. West side. Quick engage. Perm engage. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perm engage west side and full back. Di nyo kailangan mag-kiss sa gate, guys. Careful over the wall. Annalyn, Grizzly Bear, please, guys. Alis na nga kayo dyan. Please lang, guys. Please lang. Namamatay lang tayo one by one.
Perma ready, Adam.
Careful. They're playing counter. Let them engage first. Copy. Hold lang. Bigyan come back, guys. Okay?
Going northeast.
Copy. Hold lang. Pascout ako. Full scout.
Box mounting up yung iba. Ikito lang ito, Fredel.
Pa-check ako ang south ng castle, guys, ha. I need scouts. Active scouts, please. Guard runes, please, sa front.
Southwest Insurgent.
Bashing.
Dalawang blob na to.
Yes, bashing. 30 DA.
Come southwest tayo. Kung kaya nyo kausapin tong Vox, kausapin nyo. Careful front, ha. Careful, this already broken. Come back.
Yung spike mo lag. Naka-freeze lang sa akin yung game.
Nag-austin na yung Insurgent.
Just come northwest, guys. Basag na. Get away.
Ayaw daw.
Come back, guys. Get away from walls. Palis lang kayo. Copy.
1v1 daw, adobo.
Okay. Just maximize the castle here, okay? Get away from walls. Guys, walk with me.
May 8 for Glacial silang Rivaris pangalan.
Rely nyo. Meron, may bomb sila.
8 for Glacial. Rivaris pangalan.
Copy. 8 for glacial bomb as well, okay? Okay. Copy. Come with me, guys. Alag po, tangina. Get away from walls, guys, okay? They're going northwest side. Look, northwest on the gate. Hold it. On the northwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, northwest, can we? No? Nothing? Come back. Wala akong hodge eh. Saan? Come back lang. Careful ah. Careful ah. Let the allies do their thing. Get away from the gate. Get away from the gate. They might counter. Pacheck ako ng gate. Pacheck ako ng gate. Guys, simi kayo. Please, 35%.
Glacial hitting. Glacial will hit.
Careful
Glacial
gate.
will hit.
Careful gate. Careful gate. Careful gate. Look, northwest.
May shaper din sila, may shaper. Stacking shaper. Hitting shaper.
1. Yo, northwest. Can we hit? Nice kill. Full heal. Come back southwest now. Back SW.